Today we will learn about birds' name, यानी पंछियों के नाम. Duck. Duck means बतख.
Duck means buttock.
Owl. Owl means ullu.
Owl means ullu.
Pigeon. Pigeon means kabutar.
Pigeon means kabutar.
Woodpecker. Woodpecker means katfodwa.
Woodpecker means katfodwa.
Parrot. Parrot means tota.
Parrot means tota.
Vulture. Vulture means giddh.
Vulture means giddh.
Swan. Swan means hans.
Swan means hans.
Peacock. Peacock means more.
Peacock means more.
Nightingale. Nightingale means bulbul.
Nightingale means bulbul.
Cuckoo. Cuckoo means Quail.
Cuckoo means Quail.
Cock. Cock means murga.
Cock means murga.
Eagle. Eagle means cheel.
Eagle means cheel.
Bat. Bat means chamgadad.
Bat means chamgadad.
Crow. Crow means kawa.
Crow means kawa.
Hawk. Hawk मतलब बाज.
Hawk means baz.
Hen. Hen means murgi.
Hen means murgi.
Quail. Quail means bater.
Quail means bater.
Stork. Stork means vagula.
Stork means bagula.
Weaver. Weaver means baya.
Weaver means baya.
Partridge. Partridge means teeter.
Partridge means teeter.
Kingfisher. Kingfisher means ramchiraiya.
Kingfisher means ramchiraiya.
Skylark. Skylark means chakta.
Skylark means chakta.
Mynah. Mynah means manna.
Mynah means manna.
Crane. Crane means saras.
Crane means saras.
Dove. Dove means pakta.
Dove means pakta.
Ostrich. Ostrich means shuturmurg.
Ostrich means shuturmurg.
Sparrow. Sparrow means goraiya.
Sparrow means goraiya. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel.